Assalamualaikum wa ukhti. Alan ana fil jibali perahu fi Dieng Wonosobo Jawal Wusto. Ana ma'a sodiki ahwalu syasyah. Adhabu min Pekalongan bisa apa?
Adhabu as-sa'ata as-saniyah.
Subahan.
Na'am.
Subahan.
Al-an
Cuma ana adhabu ila Dieng maksudnya gua ana askuru
bi'alamin.
fil geger. Assalamualaikum
Waalaikumsalam.
Hei
Kuda, Pak langsung naik. Kuda nih. Hei kuda.
Hei kambing.
Nahnu jawalat min Pekalongan. Now ana min Jibal Perahu di Dieng. Nah, ana fi Hah?
Ngisor.
Mata tadhabu ilal jibal. Ayo kebo. Terus. Ian, tunggu Bang Safran.
Tristan, matamu.
Undira.
When this began, I had nothing to say, and I get lost in the nothingness inside of me. I was confused, and I let it all out to find that I'm not the only person with these things in mind. But over me can see the words revealed is the only real thing that I've just stuck, hollow and alone, and the fault is my own, and the fault is my own. I wanna heal, I wanna feel what I thought was never real. I wanna let go of the pain I felt so long. Erase all the pain till it's gone. I wanna heal, I wanna feel like I'm close to something real. I wanna find something I wanted all along. Somewhere I belong. And I've got nothing to say. I can't believe I didn't fall right down on my face. Looking everywhere, only to find that it's not the way I had imagined it all in my mind. What do I have but negativity? Cause I can't justify the way everyone is looking at me. Nothing to gain, hollow and alone, and the fault is my own, and the fault is my own. I wanna heal, I wanna feel what I thought was never real. I wanna let go of the pain I felt so long.
Mana pemandangannya, bro? Halo teman-teman, kita mau pulang. Tunggunya nggak Bang Rizky? Yang di bawah suaranya, tangan di atas.
Mas kabeh. Li. Video ke li. Halo. Oke, ketemu lagi. Bolang si bocah petualang, kuat kakinya seperti kaki kijang. Hap 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 hap. Bolang si bocah petualang, kuat kakinya seperti kaki kijang. Hap 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 hap. Melaju menerjang, sembunyi di semak ilalang. Hujan dan panas bukanlah halangan, laut dan pantai tempat bermainnya. Gajah lumba-lumba burung jadi temannya. Bebas pergi, anak panah lepas, berpetualang tak terbatas. Hap 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 hap. Terbanglah kau bolang, larilah kau bolang, bersiaplah kau bolang. Bocah-bocah petualang.